Mm-hmm. 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 Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day.
Welcome back to PMR. Today we have Apple's clear case for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. It's MagSafe capable and we got it for $49. We put a link down below. Here's your barcode or serial number. So let's open it. Inside the box got this manual. Then we have your clear case. Let's take this off. It's kind of like a hard shell case. It does offer a little bit of flex. Let's go on this side. You got your on and off switch. We'll try to see if this button is clicky. Going on the top, just plain. Go on the side here. You got your mute switch. You got your volumes here. Also, there's nothing. There's no Apple logo or no sign or any letterings. Going at the bottom, not sure if I really like this. You can see you have this big opening here. So your screen is going to be a little bit exposed at the bottom side. We're going to go ahead and check that out later. It's too much of a big gap for us. We like it fully enclosed. Depends on the person. Going on the inside, you don't have those little dots or honeycomb structure to kind of absorb the hit. So this is more just like a hard shell case covering. Of course, in the middle, you got that alignment magnet. Also, you have the MagSafe right in the middle. We have the raised lip here for your camera protection. It's also the same material as the case. Not like those other cases. It's either made out of metal or rubber or some other material. Feels good. I mean, I have fairly clean hands. I'm sure in a daily usage, you'll get some oil and some fingerprints in here. Now, before we put it on our iPhone 14 Pro Max here, you want to make sure you kind of get those dust there. That's the cons with clear cases. You'll see those if we don't take it out. So what we do is just grab a couple of tape, just take it out. Get a microfiber, get those fingerprints out of the stainless steel. Put in our case, we always go with the camera side first. Push it down over here with my thumb and index finger. It's just kind of press down. Yeah, that's pretty easy to put on. As you can see, I missed that part. There's a little bit of dust in there, so you're just gonna have to take it off and take it out again. Nice, smooth, good feel on your hand. That's what's nice about clear cases. You see the color of your phone. You got that deep purple, also showing that stainless steel. Let's try the buttons. Not the clickiest. View from the top. Going on the side here. Let's do the volume as well. Not the clickiest. The whole space for the volume switch is a little bit on the small side. I mean, technically you could still dig in with your thumb here, but it's a little bit hard, especially if you don't have nails. The hole's a little bit small. Yeah, the button's not the most clickiest. A little bit on the stiff. Same with the mute switch, a little bit tricky to press. Going at the bottom, we mentioned this earlier, not really feeling this big opening here. It's nice that you can fit any third-party lightning connectors. Also, the speaker doesn't necessarily get kind of covered or muffled or any way. We just don't like this exposed stainless steel here. I mean, you do still have that corners to protect it, but there's still a slight chance that you might hit it on your desk or something. Let us know in the comments below what you guys think of this. Would you guys prefer it open up like this or a little bit more closed? Now we do have a speak and screen protector here, but even without it, the lip is high enough. You have this exposed stainless steel and the screen right here. It's still high. So even without this, you'll be okay. Also, there's a slight gap on the case and the screen protector, which is what you want. You don't want it touching or this might start bubbling up. Also, we noticed Apple did include that little cutout on the top here just to make sure it doesn't block the speaker, but we'll just test that later anyway. Here's that camera bump or protection. Is it high enough? Yes. And of course, with clear cases, it is a little bit on the slippery side. There's no hole for your lanyard. Quick sound test in case the case gets in the way. Now with this exposed bottom, is it easy or hard to take off? Let's see. Came out pretty easily, of course. Yeah, so just a slight pros on this. It's the type of person that changes cases a lot. It's easy to take off. Let's try a white ring grip that matches with the magnets. Looks nice. Or if you want the matte finish look. So far we have this one is the strongest MagSafe magnets by ESR. Also has a nice color to it. You got that silver color. Or if you want to try like a loop grip. Of course, your pop grip. If you want like a max grip on your phone. A wallet grip and stand. Brown wallet. Of course, wireless charge. To check the magnet strength, now with just regular handling, you should be good. Let's exaggerate it already. Now I do have a MagSafe accessory that has decent magnets. Random. Twist. Shakes. So Apple's already has good magnets. We already know that, but let's just take this off. Come on. There. The fitment's gonna be good because it's kind of like a hard shell case. There's no give. Even at the buttons, just light. The corners here is pretty snug. On top, doesn't really move. Is it light or heavy? It all depends on the person. We got these clear cases here, so it's just a point of reference. ESR, 48 grams. Running Shield, 46 grams. Apples, 34 grams. So Apple's slightly lighter than these two cases. Let's do a quick magnet strength. Running Shield is still the strongest. Then you got the ESR. Then we have Apples. Now we're not saying that the magnets on the Apples is bad. It's actually good. It's just anything above that has stronger magnets. We mentioned this earlier. We still do prefer having it closed like this with the matching cutout. Here's a side view. It's just a little bit on the small side compared to these other cases. If you guys are interested in any of these cases, we'll put a link down below. That's your iPhone 14 Pro Max clear case by Apple. Now we got it for $49. We'll put a link down below. Let us know if you have any questions. Subscribe and stay positive.